Think you're too old for affiliate marketing? I started at 42 and earned more in my first year than most millennials make in 5. Age isn't your weakness. It's your secret weapon. Here are 3 compelling reasons to prove it. Number 1, experience-based authority versus youth energy. All right, so let's talk about this a little bit. Your life experience translates into genuine credibility in affiliate marketing. There's no way around it. You may or may not know what I did in my past life, but I'm actually a pharmacist by profession. So you know what came more naturally for me? Well, yep, you probably guessed it, health and wellness, right? And of course, I jumped into supplements, run my own affiliate networks, and a couple different things that all revolve around health. But anyway, audiences actually trust recommendations from someone who's been there and done that over those trendy influencers. So, and a perfect example of that is with me and promoting our new rewards health platform and the medical tourism that we're doing around stem cells, right? Comes across way more credible from an old fart pharmacist like myself versus some trendy influencer. And anyway, that credibility comes from another example of just decades of consumer experience. And professional networks, right? I've been around, or us old farts have been around. So we've got more networks around us, hopefully more established individuals. And we also develop more refined communication skills, for the most part, that give older marketers like myself an edge in identifying quality products, one, cool modalities, right? And writing persuasive, authentic content that actually converts versus, again, not having the credibility, being a young, new influencer, and not being able to leverage all that experience. On to number 2, the financial maturity advantage, baby. You got it, right? Why older affiliate marketers often succeed faster? Because they approach it as a real business, not a get-rich-quick scheme. And trust me, I've been part of a lot of those, been caught in those for another video on another day. But us older affiliate marketers, and the reason why I think we're more successful, we actually have the patience for search engine optimization, or SEO, to actually work. And of course, budget for the investing in those quality tools, hosting, all kinds of other stuff, right? And the discipline to treat it like a job and realistic expectations, right? Nothing's going to happen fast. So contrast this with younger marketers who may chase a lot of trends. Of course, and they give up quickly. Definitely. I've mentored so many younger individuals. While they're fun to work with, and they're on to the next frickin' squirrel before you know it. And the big one, they lack the financial literacy to reinvest profits strategically, right? Put your money back into it, scale it and grow it, baby. They want to spend it on the next car or whatever it may be. So really learning financial education and learning how to reinvest in your business, right? And making it a must, not an option. And then number 3, niche selection through life expertise, right? That is a big one. Age gives you a treasure trove of profitable niches that honestly younger marketers, they just can't authentically enter. Now, whether it's retirement planning, it's a good example, health issues that emerge after 40, or home ownership challenges, right? That's another good one. Parenting teens, of course, I hope them younger ones aren't already having teens. I mean, that is kind of the way things are going lately. But anyway, career pivots or hobbies you've mastered over decades. Your lived experience makes your content irreplaceable. Now, this unfair advantage eliminates competition and honestly builds loyal audiences who see you as a peer, not just as a pushy salesperson. So does this mean it will be easy? Hell no, absolutely not. You still, 100%, one of my favorite mantras is you have to put in the freaking work. You have to grind. And yes, it's always about working smarter, not harder. But I don't want anybody to tell you that this crap is easy. You've got to put in the work. You got to show up every single day. But again, I think for us older affiliate marketers or people that may be looking to get into the affiliate marketing world, it is much easier. You've got, again, a lot more credibility, a lot of life experiences, a lot of people out there that, again, are willing to teach you, and you typically are going to take it more seriously. Again, that's what I love to provide. through this channel and through the other businesses and the affiliate platforms that I've built out, whether it's New Lifespan and the Ambassador program through that, our RX program, and then of course this newest one with Rewards Health, and again, in building an ambassadorship through that. Again, we provide these businesses and boxes for people. Something toward, again, it's a lot lower barrier to entry. You don't have to have a ton of capital to get started. And that's, again, that other point, right? These young, go-getters in some cases, they just don't have the capital outlay or reserves in many cases to get rocking and rolling in something like an affiliate marketing program. But again, the beauty is you don't have to have much capital. You get started with, a company like ours or somebody else. There's plenty of businesses out there that are looking for mature affiliate partners. So hopefully that gave you some good tips of why, again, it's never too late. You got to get started. You actually have a really good possibility of making something take off for yourself. Or if you're an older individual looking to get started in entrepreneurship, I think affiliate marketing is an awesome venture to start off. Again, low barrier to entry, no huge capital outlays, that kind of stuff. You get your feet wet, and then, of course, before you know it, you can figure out some different ways to become a wholesaler and, again, build your own affiliate network, which I love teaching people to do that as well. That's what I did years ago. Anyway, check out one of these videos here. Hopefully give you a little bit more motivation and inspiration to get started with something. But remember, it is not easy. You just got to take action. You got to put in the freaking work. See you on the other side.